Hello friends, good morning all. Welcome to Share Bazaar Live. Let us see Nifty and Bank Nifty today. So before seeing Nifty and Bank Nifty, let us see what is happening around us, the Asian market. If you take Asian market, Australia is in mixed form, neutral. China is okay with positive. Hong Kong, it's negative. Indonesia, positive. Japan, negative. New Zealand, negative. Malaysia, neutral. So almost the Asian market is in mixed form. Now let us see Nifty and Bank Nifty what happened yesterday. So Bank Nifty resistance was 41,350 that could not break yesterday. So 4100 below it was a sell. It's weak. Trend is weak. For the past 2 days it trades within the descending parallel pattern. So once if price breaks above this parallel pattern, you can see more upside. If this level could not break, then there will be more weakness in the upcoming sessions. Let us see Nifty. So as I told you, the Nifty future was trading for the past 15 days, ascending parallel channel, and yesterday it made a breakout here in this level around 17,915. So and it started trading below this channel. So trend is weak since it's trading below outside the channel. So let's remove this channel and this trend line. Let's focus the short term scenario. So the short term is weak, it's coming down. Resistance is at very high level 18 to 21, and the support range is 17,690 to 17,740 level. So this is the support. So every higher level you can go for selling. Stop loss is 18,050. So you have to be very careful on this side. Once this higher level breaks, you can see more upside in the upcoming session. So at present, trend is weak in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. Thank you friends. I hope you like this content. Bye from now.